Configuring Etoro Withdrawal is a straightforward process that requires some basic information and verification. To start, log into your Etoro account and navigate to the Withdrawal section. This is usually found in the User Dashboard or Settings menu. First, ensure that your account is fully verified, as this is a necessary step for making withdrawals. Verification involves providing identification documents, such as a passport or driver's license, and proof of address. This process helps to prevent fraud and ensure compliance with financial regulations. Once your account is verified, you can proceed to the withdrawal section. Here, you will need to select the payment method you wish to use. Etoro supports various payment methods, including credit cards, PayPal, and bank transfers. Choose the method that is most convenient for you and follow the on-screen instructions. Next, enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Make sure to check the minimum and maximum withdrawal limits, as these can vary depending on the payment method and your account status. You should also be aware of any fees associated with withdrawals, as these can eat into your profits. After entering the amount, review the withdrawal details carefully. Check that the payment method and amount are correct, and that you have sufficient funds in your account. If everything is in order, confirm the withdrawal and wait for the funds to be processed. It is worth noting that Etoro has a withdrawal processing time, which can range from a few hours to several days. This depends on the payment method and the workload of the Etoro team. You can check the status of your withdrawal in the User Dashboard, where you will find a list of all your transactions. To avoid any delays or issues with your withdrawal, make sure to keep your account information up to date and comply with Etoro's terms and conditions. It is also a good idea to familiarize yourself with the platform's withdrawal policies and fees, so you know what to expect. In summary, configuring Etoro Withdrawal involves verifying your account, selecting a payment method, entering the amount, and confirming the transaction. By following these steps and being aware of the key concepts and best practices, you can ensure a smooth and successful withdrawal process.